Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to clear device activity history on laptop. So if you're looking for it, let's dive right in. First, click the Start button and open up your settings. Once you're in, go to Privacy and Security on the left-hand menu. Now scroll down and click on Activity History. This is where Windows tracks the apps you use, the documents you open, and other actions to improve your experience, especially across devices. You'll see a checkbox that says Store my activity history on this device. If it is checked, you can uncheck it to stop Windows from saving future activity. But to clear what's already been saved, just scroll a little further and click the Clear button under Clear Activity History. Give it a moment, and that's it. Your past activity history is now deleted. Quick, easy, and simple solution, right? Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.